Hey SimStudio users! Today we'll learn a couple tricks to get models simulation ready. There's some small components in this speaker that we want to eliminate. Let's start by making an offset shell of only the faces that we want to keep. We've already created a selection set for some of these faces. Now we can patch the gaps. Gap fill stitches the boundary patch to the rest of the part. For shells, stitch automatically merges the faces together. Loads are applied by default to the top face, which is always shown in gray and corresponds to an outward-facing normal. Part of the model appears tan because the normal direction of the patched face has been switched. To fix this, reverse the normal. Let's close the USB port gap using patch. The patch is created as a separate new body, which isn't automatically stitched to the rest of the model. Let's manually stitch it. We also want to separate the area where the speaker itself appears. Although we can't sketch directly on a curved surface to create splitting guidelines, we can project a sketch onto the curved surface, or use a primitive as our guiding split tool. Let's use a primitive. Offset a plane from the radial axis to the edge of the speaker. Then create a solid cylinder on this plane. Split the speaker surface using the cylinder extrude as the splitting tool. Shells have zero thickness, so a solid, such as the cylinder, can never intersect them. To work around this constraint, project the splitting tool onto the face. Now delete the cylinder. The small extrude features were removed, and a selection face that contains the speaker geometry was created to simplify and prep this model for simulation. Check out screencasts to discover other tips and tricks to simplify your model before simulation. Thanks for watching.